Hi Jacob, this is Jennifer Bone, the librarian at the Belleville Campus Library, and I'm going to show you how to access the online book for Beautiful Country. You can start by going just to swic.edu, hovering over Student Services, and clicking on Library. Once you get to the library page, you can go to the Books and Movies tab and go down to the eBook collection in the lower links. Once you get to the eBooks page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to the eRead Illinois Access 360. You can click on that link and it will take you into the eRead Illinois collection. So I have already checked this book out to your student account. So once you get to this page, you can click on Log In and just type in your student ID number. Click on Log In, and you will see that here is your currently reading. You can always get to that from your Welcome drop-down as well. You can click on View My Checkouts, and you can always click on the Read Now. It'll tell you that it's due back on March the 13th of 2023. You can click on the picture, and if you want to read now, you can click Read Now, or you can click Download and put it on your computer. Now, if you download it on your computer, the book does come with some digital rights software, so it knows to remove itself from your computer on March 13th. So just know that the document will disappear on that date. So just know that it is checked out to your account. You just have to log in. And remember, you do that by going to the SWIC Library homepage, selecting the eBooks link, and then going all the way down to the bottom of that page, clicking on the eRead Illinois Access 360, and then doing the login. So we've already had you logged in here. It's showing what you have. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask. You can find my contact information underneath the picture of the student studying on the front page. You can click on Contact Us, and you can actually email or call, and you'll see that my information is here, and the other librarian at the Belleville campus, her information for Samantha is right there. I hope that you have an enjoyable time reading the book, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.